I am Cadet Midshipman Ong Cedric Kyle from BSMT 2Y1-17, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain compass error, gyro error, variation, and deviation. So, here is our given gyro heading, compass heading, relative bearing, true bearing, variation, and this is our solution. Gyro heading, gagawin natin ay i-add natin sa relative bearing. So 70 plus 300, 370. So pagdating dito sa true bearing, minus naman 370 minus 265 equals 105 degrees is. Pagdating dito, ang gagawin naman natin addition, 105 plus 070 degrees equals 170 degrees. And then the next one is minus 175 minus 80 equals 95 degrees west. So kukunin natin ang variation. How to get the variation? So lalagay lang natin yung present year, then the year na nasa given natin, ma-minus natin sila, 11 years, then 5 minutes west. Ita-times natin silang dalawa, so 55 minutes west. Tapos gagawin natin itong degrees. So ang ginawa ko dito, 55 divide 60. So ang lumabas 0.92 degrees. Then itong 4.7 west, given natin yan sa variation. So ang gagawin natin dito, pag-add natin itong dalawa, 0.92 degrees plus 4.7 west equals 5.62 west. Ito na ang present variation natin. So ito dito natin, nilagay natin dito. So ang pagkuha naman sa deviation natin, ipagma-minus lang natin itong dalawa, 95 degrees west minus 5.62 west equals 89.38 west. So i-check natin kung tama yung ginawa natin sa variation at deviation. Ito, variation natin ay 5.62 degrees west. Addition natin sa deviation, 89.39 degrees west equals 95 degree west. Ito yan, compass error natin yan. So tama tayo. True bearing natin at compass error, ma-minus naman natin silang dalawa para magkaroon tayo ng compass bearing natin. I-check natin kung tama. 265 degrees minus 95 degrees west equals to 170 degrees is 170 degrees ang ating compass bearing. So yun lang po. Thank you. That's all.